I told you that these things never last. And one of these days now, you'll start dreaming of the past. Well, life was once too short for all the things we do and the shots we call, an endless summer without a fall. Promises are meant to keep, and nighttime wasn't meant for sleep. A love story at its peak. Doesn't it make you laugh when you think of the day when we all got lost on the old man's farm, just trying to get across? It was only then I knew what love was. The Sunday mornings that never ended, and hangovers that never mended,